Hello and welcome to this guitar lesson. Today we're going to play Cedar by First Aid Kit. What we're going to do first of all is put a capo at fret number 1, so it's the same pitch as the recording. If you don't have a capo, you can play it open, but it will sound different to the official recording. Alright, here we go. So let's have a look at the chords first of all, and the right hand strumming. So in the intro we've got an A chord shape, and we're in 6/8 time. So I'll just play it first and then we'll talk about it. So so that's the strumming pattern for all the way through really. Let's talk about the downs and the ups. Alright, so we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's one bar. Okay, I'll do that again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. With counting this time, we've got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and... Okay, let's play this time. Okay. So let's look at what the left hand does. So what's interesting about this track is the little variations that we do for the chords. So for the A chord, we've got the middle finger lifting off to make it an A7. So here it is with the other shot. So the variation comes on the last little cycle of the strumming pattern. So I'll count that now as well. So we've got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and... Alright, do that again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and... Okay, let's go through the chords with the little variations. So the chords we use in the verse, we've got 2 bars of A, 1 bar of G, 1 bar of D. Alright, we've got the A chord, lifts up that middle finger. The G, whatever way you want to do G is fine. We've got finger 1 doing the variation. Same strumming, same timing, just different chord. Here it is. And the D. There we go. Lifts off finger 1. Alright. So here we go. We have got verse 1. Now let's head to the bridge. We have got different chords here. We've got C for 1 bar, E minor for 1 bar, and 2 bars of D. And let's look at the little variations for the C and the E minor. For the C, we're lifting off finger 2. E minor, we're lifting off finger 3, which is actually the same note as the C, but just different fingering. D, the same finger 1 as before. And now we're at the first chorus. The structure for this, we've got 2 bars of C, 1 bar of G, 1 bar of D. Same variations of all the other times we've seen these chords. So here is chorus 1. At the end of chorus 1, we head back to an A. Just for like 2 bars, just to have a little break between the end of chorus 1 and verse number 2. Alright, let's carry on. So then we've got verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. Bridge 2, same as bridge 1. And then we've got chorus, which is the same as chorus 2. Very nice. So this takes us to the coda, or the outro, however we want to call it, where we have got split bars. First of all, we've got the first bar is A and G, both in that bar, and then a full bar of D. Carries on this pattern to the end of the song. So we've got A, G, D. On to the very end. With these split bars where you've got the A and the G, I don't think, what I can tell from the recording and live performances, that it does the little lift off, because we're changing chords quicker. There's no need to kind of have any movement there. It's got the movement for the chords changes anyway. So the outro. Great stuff. So another element of the song is the dynamics that we need to put in with the strumming. So for the choruses, we need to dig in a little deeper, raise the hand a bit more. So the guitar sounds a bit bigger and more full. And like when we drop back down to verse 2, a little more subtle, softer. The coda, or the outro, is an excellent example of this. The same chords, but really builds up, and the last line really drops it back down. And this will make the whole piece so much more dynamic and interesting with those volume changes. I've left a link in the description of this video for a PDF, so you can download it and you have the sheet. It's completely free, this one. So you've got the lyrics, the chords, the structure, and the strumming pattern. Alright, I hope this lesson has been helpful. If you like it, please subscribe, and there'll be more lessons like this coming very soon. Thank you.